$900. Now, at its peak, if you had have invested $1,000 a year, you have to...
Welcome everyone. Today we're talking about Dogecoin, the meme-inspired joke coin that has become a force to rival many cryptocurrencies. Before we break down just what Dogecoin is and if it matters, I wanted to give a shout out to all of you. Seriously, you guys are awesome, so thank you so much for being part of the journey with me. And of course, you must remember that this is not financial advice, and I am certainly not a financial advisor. This is just a dude talking about cryptocurrencies on the internet. Let's start off with the dog. The Shiba Inu breed of dogs is the smallest of the 6 distinct breeds of the Spitz dogs. Native to Japan, it is known for being a small and agile creature. The Shiba Inu is at home in the mountains and is a very independent dog. Okay, great, Lark. WTF does that have to do with the cryptocurrency? Well, Dogecoin said Dogecoin was started as a joke based off of the popular Doge meme from 2013. The fact that it has come this far is notable. So why not give a shout out to the cute dog that became a meme that became serious money? The surprising thing about Dogecoin is the way it challenges our concept of money and value. Bitcoin and Ethereum are very serious projects, but the fact that you can pay people with an internet meme and that it has value is indeed a fascinating development in our understanding of what money is. Dogecoin was created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. Jackson Palmer was indeed very surprised that something that started for a laugh hit a $2 billion market cap at the start of the year. Now, Jackson has stepped away from the development of Dogecoin, but a developer community does remain. Dogecoin is a fork from the Bitcoin code base. Doge is, of course, decentralized and runs on the secure script-based hash with 1-minute block times and currently a 10,000 Dogecoin block reward. The emission cycle of Doge, currently we have 116 billion Dogecoins in circulation with an additional 5.256 billion added every year, with an infinite total supply. But if in 100 years Doge has become the global currency, then the yearly emissions will actually be quite reasonable at that point. The average transaction fee for Doge is under a penny, which makes it very competitive in terms of adoption versus things like Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin. Currently, we are seeing more daily transactions than either of those at around 33,000 Dogecoin transactions per day. But it is, of course, still dwarfed by Bitcoin, but is surprising for a Doge. Doge Ethereum. Recently, we saw the successful demo of a bridge between Ethereum and Dogecoin. Now, how this will stand up versus atomic swaps in the long run does remain to be seen, but it is certainly a curious development and shows that Dogecoin is far from dead. The Dogecoin Foundation exists to promote goodwill and charity, and of course, makes this meme coin seem just a little more serious than it likes to say that it is. Now, what are some of my key concerns about Dogecoin? The GitHub is a ghost town. Only 2 commits in January, and before that, the last commits were in 2015. Jackson Palmer has come out and said this about Doge: future is the very same as every other distributed ledger out there. Pretty uncertain, easily disrupted, and definitely not in a unique, advantageous position to succeed. Thanks, Jackson. Can a meme coin really thrive in an ecosystem filled with serious teams who have massive partnerships and, of course, big merchant adoption? That will remain to be seen. In terms of functionality as well, there are things to consider, like a lack of smart contracts, no inherent privacy features, and of course the question, is it actually going to be relevant in the face of Bitcoin, especially when Lightning rolls out? The inflationary curve is considered by some to be a negative as well. But there are a lot of opportunities for Dogecoin. It has great liquidity, being listed on many major exchanges. Hell, even Forbes is writing about Dogecoin these days. As well as that, there is a very strong community of Dogecoin enthusiasts called Sheebs, after the Shiba Inu. In the past, the community has sponsored things like the Jamaican bobsled team, a race car, as well as having built a well in Africa. But the PR side of Dogecoin has been much slower in recent times. Dogecoin is fun and unserious, but it is actually highly efficient e-money, and proves that the internet works in mysterious ways. As currently, Dogecoin has a much higher market cap than the majority of high hype blockchain projects. I'm looking at you, Icon. And this shows, of course, the power of the community and the power of having working tech. While having seen historical highs of around 250 Satoshis, 2017 did see highs around 150 Satoshis, but the recent breakout in Dogecoin is seeing it near its year high prices. But if you were not in Dogecoin 2 weeks ago, then now is probably not the time to go all in after such a big run up. But it is important to remember that regardless of the day-to-day movement, one Doge will always equal one Doge. Dogecoin may not be the digital currency we need, but perhaps it's the digital currency we deserve. Can it be the new paradigm, the one cryptocurrency to rule them all, and on the internet bind them? We shall see. Well, as our friend the Shiba Inu would say, very surprise, much wow, so amaze.